Hi friends. Welcome to this new podcast episode. I'm James, your host. Are you looking for a fast manufacturing solution? If so, then rapid manufacturing is the right choice. This tooling process reduces the overall costs and time compared to conventional manufacturing techniques. To hire top-notch rapid manufacturing services, contact Createproto Rapid System Limited. They utilize rapid prototyping to ensure that designs meet all expectations. Moreover, their dedicated team can simplify the manufacturing process without compromising quality. To learn further, go to www.createproto.com or call +8 618025329092 for a quote. That's all for today. Stay tuned for the next episode.